Thank you. Thank you po. Ano ito?
Waiter.
Vehicle number 7 or de, joke. Mayroong nagre-request. May nagre-request, sabi, promises. Alala niyo to? Thank you thank you. Pero bakit walang nakalakip na pera? Wala. Sinong customer ang nag-request nito? Thank you Alam niyo, there's this one really funny story. Wala na ako sa banda, nagsisolo na ako. Solo singer and the pianist. Nasa Mandarin ako noon. Siyempre wala na rin ang Mandarin, di ba? Shucks, parang talagang... Bakit gano'n na nun? Mga nawawala na, no? Pero at least, nandiyan pa yung Manila Hotel. Pero anyway, so nasa Mandarin ako noon. So may ganyan. Tapos nasa parang tissue, nire-request. I cannot remember the song anymore. Then I opened it, meron namang laman. Pero hindi ko talaga malilimutan yung laman. 10 piso. I am not kidding. Brown. Hindi ba brown ng 10 piso noon? Diba? So, yun na lang, alalahanin ko na lang yung 10 piso na yun. Ang request po na nagbigay ng 10 piso ay, promises. Ay, Pasha! We forget all about promises and only keeps up all the easy years. I confess I do. Make believe how I was one the possibility, but sometimes tripped up by reality. Formality, it seems.